Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can send long videos on WhatsApp. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta open WhatsApp and then you gotta select the chat where you wish to send the long video. But you need to know the limit. WhatsApp allows videos up to 2 GB. Longer videos may still fail due to length or compression issues. But I'm gonna tell you a turnaround way how you can deal with that. So once you have opened the chat, you gotta click on this plus icon and then you gotta click on document. And then you're going to navigate to that specific video, click on open. So basically, you can send that video in the form of document and that will be sent even if the video is long. And even though if you are not choosing document, if you're choosing photos and videos, long videos will have a slider at the top and you're going to trim the length that is allowed by the WhatsApp to send, that is 2 GB minimum. So you can simply trim that long video into different parts and send those trimmed parts. Another way is by using a third-party tool such as Video Compressor. You can simply compress that video into smaller GBs and you can send that after compressing the video. And you can also upload the video to any Google Drive and send the person that drive link. That is much easier and it will not drop the quality as well. So you can choose any method that you find more convenient for yourself. And that's how you can send long videos on WhatsApp. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.